How do I cast projects? What do I look for? How does it all work? What happens? Who gets the part? Why do they get the part? Stay tuned. I'm gonna just break it all down for you. So I produce a lot of projects for small businesses, like print commercials, e-commerce photos, stuff you see on Amazon, like small like social media campaigns. I produce a lot of like small business stuff. So when I have to hire talent, this is kind of like how it all goes down and like what's going on in my head. So now you guys can have like a better perspective of like the whole picture. So basically how it works is the client that I work with who actually like has the product that we're going to be photographing. So like for this example, let's say nurse scrubs. So the stuff that like nurses and doctors wear, like the outfits in the hospital. So let's say we're going to produce a e-commerce photography session for the nurse scrubs. And we're going to go for like an elegant look where they want to have like high-end, like elegant looking nurse scrubs with professional models. That's what the client has in mind. And we have like 50 different outfits. And the client wants to maybe use like 3 different models, like 2 girls and 1 boy. Early 20s, young, attractive, and, look like they do medical stuff. So that's what the client wants. So now my job is to think, okay, who do I know that fits that look? Like who could I think of off the top of my head that looks like a nurse, doctor, and fits those traits? And I'll message the talent that I have in mind first. And if they're not available or they don't answer, I'll then go on Facebook and I'll go on like these Facebook acting groups like New York City Actors or whatever. And I'll post like an ad like, hey, paid casting looking for this. I'll post like some reference photos. I really need you, the talent, to just send me what I'm asking for. So most of the time, I want to see your most recent photo, like a candid photo of you, and just send me a couple professional shots of you, modeling or whatever. So candid photo, modeling shot. I'll ask for your measurements. Like sometimes, let's say again, we're doing the nurse scrubs. So let's say the only clothes that we have in stock are all like small size. So the women's are all small size and the men's are like medium. So you, the model, like you have to fit the clothing sizes because that's all I have. Like I physically only have like one of each outfit and they're these sizes. So you need to fit those sizes. So when I ask you to send me your sizes, you need to send them to me so I know that you actually will like fit into these clothes. And sometimes I'll make a note like, oh, you have to bring your own shoes or bring like a wardrobe option. And that's because like in these jobs, maybe I need you to like wear these kind of sneakers or like wear this. I need you to mix it up. So basically when a breakdown goes out, just follow the rules. Just send me what I'm asking for. Don't send me a million photos. Don't send me, a big resume with all this shit. I don't look at any of that stuff. The only thing I care about is that you look the part and you fit all the criteria. And that's it. And honestly, if you can say you can act or you can say you can model, I believe you. Like, I don't doubt you. Like, if you look professional in your photo, that's good enough for me. One thing that drives me crazy is when like models and actors, whatever, they send me like a million photos and every photo is like 10 megabytes. And I have like, it takes forever to load. I won't even open it because it takes forever. So you just get deleted. So just do it low resolution, resize your photos for web friendly and do that. So after I do the Facebook breakdown, typically within a day, I'll get like, 50, 100 emails from people. And I'll just quickly just go over them. I'll just skim through them real quick just to see who actually looks the part. And the people that look what I'm looking for, they're going to get, I'll message them and I'll see like if they're available. I'll just confirm stuff with them. And then after I pick out the people they fit the part, I'll confirm the dates with them. And then this is when like half of the people just drop off because they're not available, they got work, they got jobs, whatever, so they're not available for the date. And then I have like, you know, the small list of people that fit the part. I call them up on the phone just to kind of confirm everything, make sure like they read what the shoot is, they understand it. You know, just send me like another candid shot on your phone just to double check. You know, because a lot of people they'll have these photos that are outdated and they do not look the part. So I kind of do that as kind of like just a verification. Just send me a candid shot. Sometimes I'll even FaceTime you, just to keep it real. So then I'll have my final selects of confirmed people, and now it is ultimately the client's choice for who gets the job. So I send that small list to the client. They look over it, and they say, "Hey, Mike, I want to use this person, and this person." And even if I love you and you're great, you're an amazing talent or whatever, ultimately it's the client who makes a choice. So that's just how it is. So after the client makes the picks, now I'll call you guys up just to confirm the shoot. I'll send you a call sheet with details, where you're going, like what to wear, what to bring, whatever. I send you a call sheet with all this stuff. On the day of the shoot, you should arrive early. If you're on time, you're late. And just so all you actors and models know, I know you guys get worried about not getting the part. You're thinking about like, oh, what do they think? But just so you know, in my head, on the day of the shoot, I'm also thinking a lot of stuff, because it's like I have a lot of different things. I'm trying to manage like a crew of people. I have a certain budget for all this stuff. Like I only have like X amount of money for this. So like that money needs to cover the crew, you know, the camera operator, needs to cover, you know, the studio space, needs to, you know, I got to pay the models, got to pay the actors, got to pay for the food, got to pay for the transportation. So I got like all this shit going on in my head. And let's say we only have the studio for 3 hours. We got to shoot all these outfits. It's like shit, like I need to make sure that the actors are on time, you know, they get their makeup done, and like we are moving. Because like if we go overtime, now we're like eating into the budget, and if the budget runs out, now I'm tapping into my own money. So that's why I'm like really trying to just keep this shit running. So actors, models, just show up on time and just keep it moving. So what makes superstar talent? Now, the talent that I love working with that is super good and professional are the people that can just walk in there and just look like a star. They know all their angles, they know all their light positions, and they know all their good angles. They quickly just do their thing. They move around, boom, boom, boom. They do all this stuff. They quickly run. They change to the next outfit. They come back and they do it again. They do their little model thing. We just bang out a whole wardrobe of outfits in like 20 minutes. So I like people that are professional. So that's basically like what happens when I cast talent. And after the shoot, I'll just go through the images. I'll have them retouched, whatever. And then the client makes the final picks on the images. Again, it's always the client. The client makes the ultimate decision. And those are the final photos that you'll see like on Amazon and magazines or whatever. It's like the client makes that choice. So moral of the story, actors, models, talent, just look the part and be professional. And that's it. You got the part. That's it. That's all you gotta know. All right, guys. Hopefully that helped. Hopefully it gave you some insight on what happens on the other side of the table. I'm kind of just, I don't even know what you guys could be thinking. So I'm just trying to like just share whatever I know. If you got more questions for me, just throw them at me. You know, I check the comments all the time. And if, you know, the question is good, I'll make a video like this and I'll reply back to you. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. All right, guys. Enjoy.